In this brand new video, you will now discover dictionary in Python. Please, do not forget to smash that like button, for the YouTube algorithm, since it does really help supporting us, and providing new free content, once a week. Are you interested to be part of this community? All the links are in the description below. Now, let's play this video. You may sometimes want or need to merge two dictionaries, so that you can have all of your data located in the same variable. Or update its values, with new content. Use the built-in update method, to merge the keys and values of one dictionary, into another. Notice that, this method blindly overwrites values, of the same key. If there is already an existing key inside of the first dictionary, its value will be updated with the new one. And new keys will be created, if there were not already existing. As you can see in this example, merging the two dictionaries will result in combining all of the items, and updating the ones that existed before. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.